So hey guys, I'm Gamer Maniac. Now today more showcasing more. What is that again? Mini boss items and blocks. So I forgot to this. So how do you craft? They're not craftable. This can be craftable. So So guys, I'm about to showcase mini boss maps, mini boss and items. So guys, I got a special and they didn't have much. And look at what I'm holding. I'm just holding that. So guys, let's go to the match. Time, set, play. So guys, there are many mobs in here. Let me put this in there. We're gonna get to that later. So we have many mobs in here. First of all, game mode 0. So that's what it. So first of all, wait, this should be this. So first of all, we got the ninja. So gonna put this on their turns 3. So when they hit me, they're gonna be killed. They're gonna hurt so much. So gonna put this on because it's dangerous, I guess. So let me spawn one of these. So oh, I forgot. Let's spawn one of these. So they're holding a bow. So they're like skeletons. They sound like skeletons. Let me kill them. Yeah. Kill me now. Yes. They drop bows. That's why they drop. So they drop bows with a damage. So that's what they're gonna drop. So they're not gonna attack you because you're not attacking them, I guess. Let me spawn loads and kill. They're not gonna attack you. I'm gonna let them die. So that's super lame. Hope they can attack you, so they're more challenging. The shade. So the next one is the shade. I don't know what this does because yeah, kill them. So I don't know why they're not attacking, but there is a number 1 who is attacking. I can't get all of this mod because it's super long. But if you want to check it for yourself, go into the link description below. And oh my, someone is attacking me. Oh, they're attacking me. For the first time, they're attacking me. Yes. So they're attacking me, guys. They're attacking me. Attack me. So these are the legendary. Oh, this is super legendary. So I'm gonna defeat the super sniper. Just this. I have Medusa. Turn into stone. Yeah. So there's it. They'll turn to stone like you do in Medusa. So that's cool, guys. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So we're gonna use it. Wait. This heart is said to give great strength and long life to its owner. Let's try it. He's attacking. No, no, no! Don't attack me, I'm pretty sure that I'm gone. So let's kill him, man. He's flying though. I think it's a blaze. I think it's a blaze guy. They're being retextured. Oh, there's a blaze, so that's okay. That's okay with me. That's okay with me. That's okay with me. That's okay with me, guys. That's okay. So the next one is, I don't want the crawler. So this is a creeper. See, they're creepy. Creepy. So kill them and you get good stuff. A really good stuff. Stop hitting me. Yes, yes, yes. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Wait, I'm lagging because. Yes, 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 yes. Kill him. We got the time. Yes, got the time. We got the time. I got 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 time. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him, man. Oh, he's attacking me. Yeah. Yeah. Kill him. 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 Why you're not nothing? Because I'm not using my mini laptop. I'm not using my large laptop because I'm not using it. I want to use it because it's dead. It had a virus. No. So if you kill him, oh, there's it. If you kill him, you're gonna get stuff like this. So if you open that, you're gonna get a diamond with a sharpness. Grab that, 8.25, and a bottle of enchanting, and a golden apple. Let me eat that. Completely generated, so that's why. Because I'm facing the hard. It's not actually hard. Where's the tree watcher? Where's the 3 forest guard? There's it. We're gonna try this. Wait. I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, still creeper. Let's think about this. What the? Oh! Oh, I get it. Stealth creeper. Now where are you? Oh, where are you? So guys. Oh my! Did you see that blow? Let's kill this forest guard. I'm gonna show you what it does because when you kill a forest guard, you're gonna get this. Get this. I cannot open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Why can't I open it? Yes, you're gonna get diamond axe, efficiency, bone, and an oak sapwood. That's all, guys. So if you wanna check out this mod, this cool mod, so I'm gonna put the link description below. So hope you enjoy, guys. See you next. Gonna see you next.